Homegrown happiness flowers from your garden. There's something truly magical about stepping into your own garden and picking flowers that you've nurtured from seeds or bulbs. The joy of seeing those first buds bloom is incomparable. Nothing brightens a home like fresh flowers. They bring a touch of nature indoors, adding color, fragrance, and a sense of tranquility to any room. Imagine the pride of displaying a vase filled with flowers you've grown yourself. Imagine beautiful blooms, grown by you. Each flower is a testament to your care and dedication. It's a rewarding experience that connects you to nature and provides a peaceful retreat right in your backyard. It's easier than you think. With a little planning and regular care, anyone can grow a stunning flower garden. Start with easy-to-grow varieties and gradually expand your collection as you gain confidence. Growing cut flowers is rewarding. Not only do you get to enjoy the beauty of the blooms in your garden, but you also have a constant supply of fresh flowers for your home or to share with friends and family. You get colorful bouquets and it livens up your garden. The variety of colors and shapes can transform any space into a vibrant living artwork. Plus, the act of arranging flowers can be a creative and relaxing activity. Imagine cutting a few stems for a friend. Homegrown gifts are special. They carry a personal touch and show that you care. It's a simple yet meaningful way to share a piece of your garden with others. Plus, you can choose your favorites. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of roses, the bold beauty of lilies, or the cheerful faces of sunflowers, your garden can reflect your personal taste and style. Whether it's roses, lilies, or sunflowers, your garden, your choice. The possibilities are endless, and the joy of growing your own flowers is a gift that keeps on giving. So why not start today and create your own floral paradise? Choosing your champions, roses, lilies, and more. Roses are classic. Their scent is divine. These timeless beauties have been adored for centuries, symbolizing love and passion. Whether you prefer the deep red of a romantic rose or the soft pink of a delicate bloom, there's a rose for every occasion. They need lots of sun and good drainage. To thrive, roses require at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Ensure the soil is well drained to prevent root rot. Regular watering is essential, but be careful not to overwater. Don't let them dry out. Lilies are elegant. These graceful flowers add a touch of sophistication to any garden. Their tall stems and vibrant colors make them a favorite among gardeners. They come in many colors, from pure white to deep orange. Lilies offer a spectrum of hues. Each variety has its own unique charm, making them versatile for different garden designs. Plant them in spring or autumn. They prefer some shade. Lilies thrive best when planted in well-drained soil and in areas that receive partial sunlight. This helps them grow strong and healthy. Sunflowers are cheerful. They are easy to grow. Give them full sun. These bright and bold flowers are a symbol of happiness and positivity. Perfect for beginners, sunflowers require minimal care. They don't need much watering. Once established, sunflowers are quite drought tolerant. Just ensure they get plenty of sunlight and they'll reward you with their radiant blooms. Tender, loving care from seed to bloom. The journey of a flower from a tiny seed to a full bloom is a magical process that requires patience, dedication, and the right techniques. Each step in this journey is crucial to ensure that your garden flourishes with vibrant colors and healthy plants. Most flowers like well-drained soil. It's important to prepare the soil properly before planting. Good drainage ensures that the roots do not sit in water, which can cause them to rot. Adding organic matter like compost can improve soil structure and fertility, providing a better environment for your flowers to grow. Dig a hole twice the size of the root ball. This gives the roots enough space to spread out and establish themselves. Water well after planting to help the roots settle in. Feed your flowers regularly with a balanced fertilizer to promote healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Remove any weeds that appear, as they can compete with your flowers for nutrients and water. Weeds compete for food and water. They can quickly take over a garden if not managed properly. Regular weeding is essential to keep your flower beds healthy. Watch out for pests that can damage your plants. Inspect your garden regularly to catch any issues early. Greenfly and slugs can be a nuisance. These pests can cause significant damage to your plants if left unchecked. Greenfly, also known as aphids, suck the sap from plants, weakening them. Slugs can eat large holes in leaves and stems, which can be particularly damaging to young plants. There are sprays available to keep them away. Using organic or chemical pest control methods can help protect your plants. Always follow the instructions on the label to ensure safe and effective use. With the right care and attention, your garden can thrive, free from the threat of pests. Section 4. Snip to success, cutting and enjoying your flowers. Cut flowers early morning or late evening. Use sharp secateurs. Cut just above a leaf node. Place your flowers in water immediately. Strip any leaves below the waterline. This keeps the water fresh. Change the water every other day. Recut the stems at an angle. This helps them absorb water better. Section 5. Bouquet. Brilliance, arranging your homegrown blooms. Start with the largest flowers, place them in your vase first, then add smaller flowers around them. Use foliage to fill the gaps. Fern leaves and ivy work well. They add texture and interest. Don't be afraid to experiment. Have fun with it. There are no rules when it comes to your own bouquets.